To upload an e-signature in Basil, first you'll have to have a PDF document uploaded to the appropriate client workspace. There are a few ways to do this. To upload a new PDF, click the Signatures tab and then select Add. In the pop-up window, you'll be presented with the option to add a new PDF file to use for e-signature. Ensure a client and workspace are selected. You can add the file by dragging and dropping the file into the indicated box in the center, or you can click the center box to browse and select the file from your computer. Once these are filled out and you're ready to proceed, click Upload. For now, we're going to cancel this so we can see two other ways of starting an e-signature for an existing PDF in Basil. You can use the Select Files tab instead, and select the file from the correct client and workspace in Basil. Alternatively, you can go to the Files tab and navigate to the client workspace or folder where you'd like to have the PDF e-signed, and use the Actions menu to upload a new PDF to the exact location. Once the document is added, you can click the three-dot menu for the PDF document and click e-signature. Once the PDF is selected to be used for e-signature, you will have the option to prepare the document, create a template, or apply an existing signature template. The Prepare Document button is used when you need to prepare a unique PDF document for specific client users. An e-signature template can be created for a document that is commonly signed by many different client users or team members. You can create a template and apply it to a document when necessary, to save time preparing the document for a specific client user or team member. We will cover e-signature templates in another video. For this example, select the Prepare Document button. Enter the email addresses of users who need to sign the document. Click the Include My Signature box if you yourself need to sign the document. You can rearrange the order by dragging the emails up or down, using the icons on the right. Check the Enforce Signature Order box if the users need to sign one after another. If enforced, the second signer will not receive a notification or be able to sign the document until the first user signs the document, and so on. You can add a message that will be included when sent to the signers. If you need to knowledge-based authentication, or KBA, for when signers sign their documents, you can enable that here. Please contact the support team if you're interested in enabling this function. Once all signer email addresses have been added, click the Prepare Document button. The document will be displayed, and there will be a panel with multiple signature components on the right side of the screen. To prepare the document, drag and drop e-signature components like a signature line, initials line, date field, text box, or checkbox over the document. We can control which fields are required and optional by using the toggle on the right when placing fields, or by right-clicking fields. If you have more than one signer, assign each component to a signer by right-clicking on the component. To assign fields in bulk to one signer at a time, left-click each field for that signer, then right-click one of them, and assign. When you're finished, click the Save and Send button. If you'd like a reminder to be periodically sent to signers when they haven't signed, you can use Cora to automatically do that. In this case, this account is one of the signers, so we're going to start signing the document first. We'll fill in any fields that Basil prompts and sign using the tool. Once done signing, since the Enforce Signature Order option was checked, the next signer will be prompted to sign next. The recipients will receive an email to start signing the document. If the signer is opening the document from the email link, they will be emailed a verification code to open the document. Keep in mind, this verification code can be disabled for all signatures in the account owner's general settings. Once all signers have signed the document, the status will show as signed. You can click the document to show its contents, as well as download a copy. When adding signature fields to a document, you can simplify the process by having Basil parse through and automatically detect potential field elements. This feature may need to be enabled by support first. Logged in as the account owner, go to your icon on the top right of Basil and go to Settings. Under the AI section, click Enable. Initiate an e-signature on a PDF file and select Prepare Document. On the screen where you drag and drop fields, you should see a Detect Elements with AI section. If you don't see it, stop here and reach out to Basil support to have it enabled. Click any of the Detect Elements buttons, and you will see new fields being added where Basil best sees them fit. If any of the fields are misplaced, you can right-click to delete them, or click and drag to reposition. Please be aware this feature may be limited on how much it can be run. Refer to our documentation on AI Copilot for more information.